Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. So I got something in the mail today that I ordered recently, and I'm very excited, so I wanted to show it to you. But before I do, I'm going to tell you where I got it. You may or may not be familiar with Lisa Stavinoha. She has like I know at least three YouTube channels. There's one that is Lisa Stavinoha Creativity and Inspiration. Then this is the one that I ordered this from. Let's see. It's Lisa Stavinoha Art. She's an actual artist, like paints and has shows and wins things. So she, on this channel, she will do the coolest kits, I guess you could say. She'll put things together for you to make, and it'll have all the pieces. It'll have, if it calls for it, it'll have paint and paintbrushes and the item you're supposed to paint. And I believe they come with a private video, like instructions for you. And then the other is, YouTube channel is Becoming Female. Oopsie. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Becoming Female. And it talks about all, from A to Z about being a woman and, things, all that. Anyway, these are her three YouTube channels, and I got this off the art channel. All right, so let me show you. I'm so excited. It was called a mini Rolodex. Let me see.
It's a Petite card.
Mini. Oh, Petite Rolodex kit. It comes, you get the video, you get a Rolodex, 3 acrylic paints, a stamp, various papers, modeling paste, sheet of stickers, ribbons and buttons, a coffee filter, a napkin, and a piece of pattern. So what I think is so cool, and I just love this idea. It's this little Rolodex. Remember these? Mine was magic. It had all kinds of stuff in it that, man, yeah, back in the day when I worked. Okay, so it's got all of these, and I don't know how many, but it looks like about 1,000. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, it's a lot. 125. Okay. Then it's got the alpha divider tabs, and a stamp. Hold on. Is that better? It's got like, that's really cool. Okay, and then I mean, I just can't believe this. A big old tube of light modeling paste, the Liquitex, some brand new bottles of turquoise, lavender, and lime green acrylic paint. Whoops. Paintbrush. And then here are the extra goodies. This has, I like that incandescent lights. I love that. And it's got some bling and some little tiny like buttons, a itty bitty piece of, oh, you know, tape measure. A little paper flower. I mean, all these cute little things to decorate each. Like, she's decorated one. It looks to me like this piece of magazine, just kind of, and then the goodies. Wouldn't that be fun? Because sometimes I just want to do something, and I don't have a project going on, or I don't, you know, I just don't have any ideas. But just come in and do one of these. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cool. Okay, so, whoops. Also, there's pattern paper. Like sewing pattern paper, open doily, coffee filter. We've had our Keurig for so many years. This is just kind of looks like, oh, I've seen that before. It's been a long time. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. And I think, yep, it's the whole napkin. Gorgeous. I mean, you can do tons of cards with this. Little piece of dictionary page, some graph paper, a couple of pages, 6x6. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that. Some sewing. I'm not sure if these are stickers or. Hold on. Yeah, they're stickers. I was thinking of those things you just stick on. They're not stickers, but you, like window cling kind of things. I've been playing with my grandchild's toys today, so I'm kind of window clinged on the mind. And look, oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so excited. I really, truly am. I just think this is going to be so fun, and it's going to keep me out of trouble when I don't have a project going, and it's going to, you know, give me something to do. Oh, I'm so excited. So I want you to go look in that, in the videos in her art, well, in any of them, but in her Lisa Stavinoha Art, because she's got other kits in there. And like, they come with everything you need. And I guess if I wanted to add something, I certainly could, but I have it, you know, I don't have to go digging around. So it would be good for a beginner who maybe didn't have a big stash. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to tell you about it and let you go take a look. Alright, have a good day.